If you've launched your digital product, let's say an ebook, a Notion template, a Canva pack, and it's barely selling, you're not alone. And it's not because your product is bad. Absolutely not. Most beginner creators just haven't been taught how to actually sell online. There's a method to it, and without even sounding salesy or fake. So guess what we're going to do? We're going to fix that. This video is going to be your starter playbook. We're diving into 10 quick hacks to help you sell more digital products, even if you have no audience, no email list, and no marketing degree. No, we don't need those. Well, initially. And hey, stick around because I'm dropping a bonus at the end on how to sell without being too pushy, fake, salesy, or spammy. So if you struggle with promoting yourself, that part alone is going to change the game when you hear what this bonus is. So let's start with hack number 1. Use the problem first pitch. This means you don't lead with my product is live. You lead with the pain point. Talk about a problem people already have. For example, I used to spend hours planning my week until I built this Notion system. Now they care. They will listen to you then. Now your product becomes the solution, not a random offer. Speak the frustration out loud. Hack number 2. Use one platform as your selling mode. Let me explain. Beginner creators often try to sell everywhere. Instagram, TikTok, Threads, YouTube, you name it. And that's exhausting. So instead, pick one main platform that fits your content style and audience as well. Master selling there first. If you're good at recording videos, for example, lean into YouTube. If you write well, use Twitter or Substack. That focus builds momentum and it shows that you're an expert and you have authority in that niche. Hack number 3, show the product in action. People don't buy digital products based on features. They buy based on feelings. If it's a template, show someone using it or you using it. If it's a planner, walk them through how it helped you plan your week. Let them visualize the results instead of just selling them or talking at them. Number 4, stack tiny wins early. Your first sales won't come from strangers. They'll come from people you trust, even just a little. So start by offering a low-ticket product that may cost $5, $9, $12, $7. I start with $7. Something with ridiculous value that makes it a no-brainer for them to buy. Why? Because you're building proof, social proof. And once you get 5 to 10 buyers, you can leverage that trust into testimonials and referrals. You see where I'm going with this? All right, let's go to hack number 5. Use soft selling content. So instead of posting buy my product, post a tip or tutorial, a short tutorial that naturally leads to the product. Here's an example. Share a 60-second content planning hack and say, this is from my $9 guide that saved me hours each week. It's helpful and promotional at the same time. If you're getting value from this video so far, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my deep dives, because I have a lot of stuff already here and coming. And you'll learn the things I haven't discussed on this channel. They're included in my digital bundles where I give secrets, hacks, and tips the bigger YouTubers don't want you to know about. So grab it from the link in the description and you'll thank me later. Now let's continue. Hack number 6, pin your product everywhere. Most beginner creators post their product once and hope that it takes off. It doesn't. You need visibility. So pin it in your YouTube comment section. Once the video goes live, make it your bio link on your Instagram account. Mention it in your email footer. Add it to your Twitter profile. If someone discovers you, your product should be one click away. Just one. Always. Hack number 7, remix your best free content into a product. You've already been creating videos. Go through your past videos, your carousels, your threads, your tutorials. Is there a common theme? Package it up. 3 threads can become an ebook. 5 IG tips can become a toolkit. You're not starting from scratch. You are leveling up what's already working and what's already there, so you don't have to recreate. Number 8, use microproof. You don't need 1,000 testimonials. One message from a happy customer can be turned into content. Screenshot it. Talk about it. Say something like, someone told me this saved them 3 hours a week. And that's exactly why I made it. That's way more effective than a salesy call to action. All right, now we're at hack number 9. Create a bonus that feels exclusive. So instead of discounting your product, offer a bonus, something time limited or audience specific. For example, buy this product this weekend and get my private checklist. Or first 10 buyers get behind the scenes video. People love getting in on something special. They want to feel special. So just do that. Hack number 10, sell daily without feeling gross. You don't need to scream buy now every day for somebody to buy from you. You can share how you built the product, show a customer win, teach something from the product, or just post a reminder that it exists. Most of your audience isn't seeing your post the first time. So consistent soft selling builds trust. Now here's the bonus tip that I promised. How to sell without being pushy or salesy. This one's for the people who feel weird about selling stuff. You don't want to sound fake. You don't want to pressure people in buying something from you. I get it. So here's the shift. Don't think of it as selling. Instead, think of it as recommending a shortcut that you believe in, that works for you and works for others. It's like telling a friend, hey, this saved me so much time and it might help you too. It's like recommending somebody else's product. Do it for yourself. That's not salesy. That's being helpful. That's how I view it. And you should too. If your product genuinely solves a problem, hiding it isn't humble. It's disservice to the people that need it. People need what you've made. Don't be ashamed of it. Don't be embarrassed about it. Your job is to help them realize what they're missing. You don't need a big audience to make digital sales. You need clarity, consistency, and a few smart moves. Some of these hacks will work. Start with one of these hacks today, even one. Screenshot this script, save it, come back to it. Each time you drop a new product, do that. And if you're stuck, just remember this. No one becomes a confident seller overnight. It's going to take practice. But every time you show up, it gets easier and easier. Your voice gets stronger and stronger. Your product gets sharper and sharper. You just have to put in the consistency and the work. Please check out my YouTube resources in the description. I've got digital guides and tools to help you navigate this platform and make money doing so. And drop a comment below with your biggest concern that you have about improving your YouTube channel. And if this video opened your eyes to making money online outside of the YouTube AdSense program, please smash that notification bell for more insider tips that you won't find anywhere else but here and in my digital bundle. If you want to make money on YouTube, you need to hear what I'm going to share in my next video. Thanks for watching. And never give up. Please never give up. Your answer is just around the corner. Now go sell with confidence. You're not faking it. You are just getting started. That's what I say. And as long as I'm around, I'll hold your hands and guide you in the right direction. Thanks for watching and take care now. Go sell.